Indian cappuccino. This frothy, beautiful looking cappuccino coffee is just one thing you want to feel refreshed on any tiring day. It's super quick, easy to make and does not need any special equipment. I can't wait to start making it, so let's go through the ingredient first. Milk, instant coffee powder, sugar. Today I am going to show you how to make cappuccino coffee using two different methods. By using electric beater and then by manual method. You can choose whichever is easier for you. So let's start with manual method first. Manual method is good if you want to make just 1 or 2 cups of coffee. For this, first take 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon instant coffee powder in a cup and mix them well like this. The typical ratio for moderate strength coffee is 2 parts sugar and 1 part coffee. Now add 1 teaspoon milk, or you can also use water, and again mix it in circular motion like this. We need to keep adding milk in half teaspoon quantity and keep beating in circular motion until we get a fluffy light brown coffee paste. In total, I have used 2.5 teaspoon milk. Make sure not to use too much milk at one go, as we don't want coffee paste to be thin. I have beaten it for around 10 to 12 minutes, but depending on your beating speed, it might take less or more time to get right texture. As a rule, the more lighter the coffee paste color is, the better it is. Now our coffee paste is ready, and this is the texture, thickness, fluffiness and color we wanted. Now let's see second method using electric beater. This method is very useful if you want to make lots of coffee, as beating with hand can be quite tiring and time consuming. For this, take sugar and coffee in 2:1 ratio and change the quantity according to the number of coffee cups you want to make. Mix the mixture well. After that, add 2 tablespoons milk and mix it again with a spoon so that coffee mixture get little wet. Now start beating it with electric beater till it becomes like a paste. Then again add half tablespoon milk and carefully beat it again. In total, I have used 3.5 tablespoon milk. Beat it for around 7 to 8 minutes till you get light brown fluffy paste like this. Now for making coffee, boil milk in a pan. Once milk has boiled, take a cup in which you want to serve coffee. Put 1 teaspoon of coffee paste, then fill the cup to half with milk and mix it well. Then again add 1 teaspoon of coffee, milk, and gently mix it again to get dense froth like this. If you want to have even denser froth, then heat cup of coffee in microwave for 15 to 20 seconds. Now let's do some garnishing with chocolate powder to give coffee beautiful look. For this, cut a piece of paper in heart shape like this. Now place heart shape over the cup and gently sprinkle some chocolate powder using sieve. Repeat same process with coffee made using second method. If you have extra coffee paste left, cover it and keep it in refrigerator to use it later. Storing it in refrigerator helps in preserving paste consistency. Now our frothy and beautiful looking coffee is ready to taste. Our cappuccino coffee has come out so great looking with right froth and texture. Heart on top gives a nice and beautiful look to coffee. Try this recipe and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. We'll see you again in another video. Till then,